With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, you're given two statements, statement 1 and 2. The first statement is that high thermal conductivity of metals is due to the presence of free electrons. And the statement 2 is electrons at the same temperature have very high average velocity than atoms. So we have to tell which statement is true or false, or whether the statement 1 and 2 are related to each other, or statement 2 is the correct reason for the statement 1. So that's what we have to conclude here. So the first statement is that high thermal conductivity of metals is due to the presence of free electrons. Now if we talk about the surface of the metal, then surface of the metal consists of free electrons, right? It consists of free electrons. So what happens is that high thermal conductivity means that we are increasing the temperature, right? So when you are increasing the temperature, and when we are increasing the temperature, the more current is going to pass through the metals, right? So what is going to happen is that these electrons are going to move, right? These electrons are going to move, and the movement of these electrons is going to cause high thermal conductivity, right? So due to the movement of these free electrons which are present in the metal, right, on increasing the temperature, the thermal conductivity is going to increase, right? They're going to conduct more. Okay, that is what is going to happen, because when we are increasing the temperature, the thermal conductivity is increasing, and that is increasing because of the movement of these electrons, movement of these free electrons that are present on the surface of the metal. So the first statement is a true statement. Okay. Now the second statement is that electrons at the same temperature have high average velocity than atoms. Now if we talk about atoms, then atom consists of a nucleus, right? And it consists of electrons that revolve around this nucleus. Now nucleus consists of neutrons as well as protons, right? Protons are positively charged. Electrons are negatively charged. Now an atom consists of electrons. So if electrons has a high average velocity, then atom is also going to have a high average velocity, right? And atoms also consists of protons. So in general, the average velocity of atoms is going to be higher than electrons, right? So if at the same temperature we are considering, then the electrons at the same temperature will not have higher velocity as compared to atoms, because atoms consist of electrons as well, right? So the average velocity of atoms is also going to increase. So this statement which is given to you is a false statement. So the statement 1 is a true statement, whereas statement 2 is a false statement, and this is the conclusion for the question. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.